Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 127 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to earn income online with this method. Okay. Now, if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, okay, I'm talking about shooting a 365-day challenge. We are promoting one offer from ClickBank and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. Okay. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so, okay, within 1 year. Okay, so I just wanted to come and show you guys how easy it is to do this method and how you can start working today if you know how to copy and paste the emails over. Okay, so we've made it to day number 127, and I just want to show you guys how easy it is to do it. All right. Now, if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see brand new subscribers coming in. Now, what separates the two is if you have, whether you have 100 or 200 leads, is however many accounts that you have. Okay. Now, the more accounts that you have, the better opportunity that you're going to be able to get 200 leads coming into your account. Okay. Now, if you only have 100, if you only have one account, you're going to only get 100 leads. Okay. So with you getting multiple accounts, that's how you get the 200 leads coming in every single day. Okay. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've been doing this for some time. And I can tell you that this traffic does work. It does convert. I have received paychecks from My Legion Secret. I'm also received paychecks from clickbank.com, also Warrior Plus, Max Bounty, and Blue Media Ventures. Okay, so I've promoted numerous CPA networks. I've promoted different companies to this traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. The only thing about this traffic, guys, it is cold traffic. Okay, so these people got to get warmed up to what we're doing. Okay, so we have to send out emails every single day in order for people to start catching on to who we are. Okay, and then eventually they'll start trusting us, and then they'll start purchasing from us. Okay, guys, that's pretty much how it goes. All right, so I just wanted to come in and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email on the My Legion Secret system. All right. Now, if you get started with My Legion Secret, guys, it's going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you're sending out versus the emails that I'm sending out. Okay, but everything else at the top, like this tab across here, is going to look identical to yours. Okay, so you got your home page, you got your My Leads that shows you the emails that are coming in every single day, and they show you, you know, how many leads that you're getting. Okay, and then also master email swipes or additional emails that you can purchase. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to use the free email swipes from the offers that we're promoting. Okay. Now, this right here, guys, is going to be the mailing system. This is where you're going to be sending out all of your emails. So all you got to do is click on select all. Okay. And then once you go select all, okay, basically you have a subject line and then also you have the body of text. Okay. You want to make sure that you click on perfect timing, and that perfect timing, you're going to be able to make sure that all your emails go out at the right time. Okay. So you always want to make sure there's a check mark in this box. Okay. So let's go back up here to where it says subject line. Okay. Now let's go ahead and grab an offer from ClickBank. Okay. Now the offer that we are using is going to be this offer called Social Sales Rep. Now you don't have to use this offer. There's other offers that you can use as well. There's, let's see, paying social media jobs, right at reviews. There's different offers on ClickBank that you can use in this e-business, e-marketing section. All right. But for the sake of this video, we're just using this live chats offer. Okay. And they have free email swipes. So you click on the email swipes. What that's going to do is going to pull up all the emails. Now, all you have to do is come in and send out all 20 of these emails, okay, every single day. So you come in and you grab an email and you take the subject line, and then you also take the body of text, and then you paste that over to the system, okay? Now, if you don't know how to do that, go back and watch my previous videos. In detail, I go a little bit further in detail on how to send out an email, okay, which is pretty easy to do. So I'll show you real quick here, guys. So all you would have to do pretty much, let's just find a good quick email. something that's not too long. Okay, let me just try this one. Let's see what this one looks like. All right. Okay, let's just grab this email for instance. All right. Don't wait for that paycheck, make it arrive sooner. So what you would do, you would take this subject line, Control C, you come over here to the mailing system and you Control V. Like it's super easy to do. Okay. You come down here to the body of text, you grab this and you just erase all of that, right? And then you come back here to the mailing system and then you grab this, okay? You grab it, okay? And then you want to Control C and then you come back over here and Control V. Like it's super easy to do. And there's going to be three things that you're going to need to do in this email. Okay. Number one is you're going to have to take out where it says signature. You want to take that out and you're going to want to put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay. Where it says hi name at the top of this email right here, you want to take this out and you want to put in a code, which is right here. Okay. So you want to use this code right here and you want to address our prospect by their first name. Okay. So you come down here and you grab that and you Control V. Okay. And then you come here, okay, where it says click here if you're interested. You take that link right here, you take this sentence and you want to turn this into a clickable link. So you want to go ahead and click here. Okay, so let's go ahead and click link, boom. And then you want to come over here to the mailing system. I mean, to the offer, and then you want to grab the link, okay, right here. Okay, now this hop link, there's going to be a hop link underneath every email that you promote. And these links right here goes with this email, okay? So this link goes with this email, okay? So all you have to do is take out where it says your ClickBank ID and you want to put in your ClickBank ID, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. So Control V, and then you want to take this out right here and you want to put in your affiliate ID, okay? Cool. Too easy, guys. And that's how you do it. That's how you send out an email in the mailing system. And then you make this a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys choose. And now this email is ready to go out. So all we would have to do is come down here, either click on preview or submit now. Okay. Click on preview, make sure the link works and everything. And then come back here and click send now. Okay. We just sent out an email in the My Legion secret system and you can get multiple accounts, guys, to go ahead and do the same. Now, all we have to do is when our prospect reads this email, they're going to click on this link, and this link is going to take them to our affiliate page, and our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So I did leave a link below this video. Right here, if you go to the tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom, click on that link. It's going to take you to the landing page of My Legion Secrets. If you come down here a little bit more, you're going to see all these success stories. Okay, these are all the people that are making money with the My Legion Secret System. Okay, and then you can be one of these testimonials as well. All right. So just wanted to show you I'm not the only one making money with this program. Excuse me. I'm not the only one making money with this program. There are other people doing it. And you can go ahead and do it and get started today. Okay. So, as you can see, a lot of people are making money with this. All right. So go ahead and click on this link below, get started. It only costs a one-time charge of $60 to get started and then $30 a month to keep the service. Guys, it's just a no-brainer. The $30 a month, you're going to get thousands of people subscribing to your list, and then you're going to be making way more money than what you're putting into this thing. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys how this stuff works, what this looks like, and how easy it is to send out an email in the My Legion secret. All right. Let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Okay. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and log in here. All right. I have multiple ClickBank accounts. I made this specific account just for you guys, just to show you how this stuff works. Okay. And to show you that you can make money with this offer. Okay. So I went ahead and I'm going to go back to last 30 days. And as you can see here, guys, we have been making money, okay, with this offer, okay? Now, today's the last month of August, but I wanted to give you a bird's eye view on what August looked like. As you can see, we've made money throughout the whole month of August, okay? And as you can see, it's been pretty consistent. There has been some gaps in the days. The algorithm has really been either one every other day or every 2 days is what the algorithm has been looking like. Okay. So we've been earning income either every day or every other day or every 2 days. Okay. Now we have a larger gap right here, like last week sometime, because I was in Nebraska, helping my daughter move into college. So there was a gap there. But other than that, um, this algorithm is just every day or every other day or every 2 days. Okay, that we received a sale. Okay, and now the good thing is that with this getting the sales getting closer to closer, eventually we're going to get to a point where we're getting sales every single day. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, what's possible for you. I wanted to show you that this stuff is real. Okay. I didn't want to show you just a day's worth of work. And if we made money today, I wanted to show you the last 30 days of what we've been doing. So you guys can see these sales that are in here and let you know that this stuff does work. Okay. And the sales are possible. Okay. And this is for someone who make extra income. If you're someone who's looking for the extra income, maybe to pay a bill, a light bill or gas, or maybe put food on the table for your family, maybe help with a car note, mortgage, or a car payment, right? So, this is the type of income that you guys can use that can kind of help you out. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I wanted to show you that for the last 30 days, we have been making money with this system. We've made more than what we're putting into this thing. So I just wanted to make that clear. Okay. $30 a month for 8 accounts is 200 something dollars. We're making well over that, guys. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like, and what's possible for you. Okay. So, and like I said, we're just still in that beginning stage of this video series. And to let you know that we got quite a ways to go for this video series, and it's only just going to get better. Okay. You guys come in every single day. You send out emails every single day. Okay. I can guarantee that you will see progress in what you're doing only if you're sending out emails every day. Okay. Thing about me is I do not miss days on sending emails. I don't care how late it is. I don't care the time of day. Actually have a certain algorithm. I usually come in late at night to send my emails. And then when I wake up in the morning, I don't have to worry about this specific method. I can go do other money making opportunities that I do online. Okay. So, this is something that I do at night, around this time. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I can earn this type of income for the whole month. Just coming in 5, 10 minutes a day, sending out emails, I can earn pretty much consistent income throughout the month doing this specific method. All right. So get started at the link below. Comment, let me know what you think about this stuff. Also, subscribe to this channel. Okay. So please subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay. Because this video series is going to get really good. Okay. There's a lot of good stuff that I got coming, and there's other stuff that I'm doing online to make money. Okay. And I wanted to show you some other stuff that I'm doing online. But first, I'm just sticking with this specific method. I'm not going to overwhelm you with, offer after offer after offer. Okay. I'm just going to show you one method. Okay. And we're going to master that method first. And then once we master that, okay, then we will move on to other stuff. Okay. But for right now, I just wanted to stick with something that, we don't have to go all over the place with. We got one offer from ClickBank, okay, and we got one service, okay. We're going to put those two together, and we're just going to do this for one whole year, guys. 365 days, all right. So it's going to get good, but I know it's late, guys. I'm gonna end this video on that note. I'm gonna come back here. I've already sent out my emails for tonight. I'm gonna come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place, and we'll pick up where we left off. All right, guys. Peace.